After years of spinning, one fan finally needed to vent.
Doctor? I just feel like people only turn me on. When they need something.
And how does that make you spin?
I mean, feel? I give and give. Air, comfort, vibes might, but do they ever say thank you? No. They just leave me hanging.
Sounds like you're carrying a lot of emotional current. Sounds like you're carrying a lot of emotional current.
Really? You light up now? During my session? During my session?
Typical. You only light up when someone else does.
Typical. You only light up when someone else does.